and welcome back to Speak English with Ease. I'm Alianna, and I'm here with the man who always has the answers, Jackson.
I don't know about always, Alianna, but it's really great to be here. How are you doing today?
Honestly, Jackson, I had a little bit of a language emergency this morning. I went to order a coffee, and my brain just stopped. I knew the words, but I couldn't get them out. I felt like a car with no gas.
Oh, that happens to everyone. Really, everyone. Sometimes our brain wants the easy reward of staying silent because speaking a new language is hard work.
Exactly. I felt so shy. I just pointed at the menu like a toddler. And honestly, I felt like I failed at English today.
No. Don't think like that. Remember the flat tire rule? If one tire on your car is flat, you don't stop the car and destroy the other 3 tires too, right? One frozen moment at a coffee shop does not mean your English is bad. You just need to get back on track.
Get back on track. I really like that expression. So how do I stay in the driver's seat of my learning?
Well, today is your lucky day. Today, we are sharing the 4 gold rules. These rules can help anyone go from beginner to fluent English speaker. And if you practice them consistently, little by little, every day, you will start seeing change very quickly.
Okay, I'm ready. What is rule number 1?
Rule number 1 is start with broken words.
Broken words? You mean like me, coffee, want? Jackson, that sounds terrible. I want to speak perfectly like you.
But Alianna, perfection is a prison. When you are a beginner, you do not need perfect grammar. You need communication. Broken words are the first building blocks, like bricks for a house. If you wait for perfect English, you may never speak at all.
So it's okay to sound like a broken robot sometimes?
Yes, absolutely. Think about small wins. If you say, "Water, please," and you get your water, that is success. Your brain says, "Hey, good job, you communicated." And slowly, those broken words become full sentences.
I understand now. So I should stop trying to be perfect and just be a normal human who makes mistakes.
Exactly. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are learning. And that brings us to rule number 2. Don't feel shy, even if you are wrong.
Oof, this one is really hard for me. Sometimes I feel like everyone is judging my accent or my grammar mistakes.
Alianna, listen carefully. Most people are not judging you. Usually, the person judging you the most is you. Most people feel happy when someone tries to speak their language. They appreciate the effort.
Wow. So my shyness is actually stopping me from improving?
Exactly. Speaking English is like going to the gym. At first, it feels uncomfortable, maybe even embarrassing. But slowly, your English muscle becomes stronger. If you say, "I aided bread" instead of "I ate bread," that's okay. The message was understood. Communication is the goal.
I am the boss of my own life, right? I shouldn't let fear control me.
Yes, exactly. And when you feel nervous, take one slow, deep breath. Just one breath. That small pause helps your brain relax.
Okay, I'm breathing. Rule number 1, broken words. Rule number 2, no shyness. So what is rule number 3?
Rule number 3 is listen a lot. Listen to podcasts, movies, songs, YouTube videos, anything in English. Keep English in your ears.
But Jackson, what if I don't understand most of it? Sometimes I understand maybe 10%.
And that is completely okay. Your brain is still learning. The more English you hear, the more normal it becomes. Little by little, your brain starts recognizing patterns. And one day, you suddenly realize, wait, I understood that sentence.
Oh, like building a habit slowly.
Exactly. You can listen while cooking, walking, cleaning, driving. It doesn't always need to feel like studying. That is the magic.
I really like that. Slow learning, but strong learning.
And now, the final rule. Practice, because practice creates improvement.
But Jackson, life is busy. Work, family, stress. Sometimes I feel too tired.
I understand completely. But here's the secret, the 5-minute rule.
Only 5 minutes? Really?
Yes, really. 5 minutes every day is much better than 3 hours once a week. Consistency is powerful. Even small daily practice changes your brain slowly.
So, if I speak English in the mirror for 5 minutes, that still counts?
Absolutely. That is excellent practice. And if you miss one day, don't panic. Just begin again the next day. Always return to the path.
Jackson, I feel so much more confident now. Broken words, less shyness, more listening, daily practice. It actually feels possible now.
And that is the goal. Remember, fluency is not magic. It is small steps repeated every day, with patience, with consistency.
And now we have a little challenge for everyone watching.
Yes, comment the word ease below this video if you are going to practice rule number 1 today and use some broken English without fear.
And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Speak English with Ease. It really helps our community grow.
We believe in you. Every small step matters. Don't focus only on how far you must go. Look at how far you have already come.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. Now I'm going to practice my broken English while buying another coffee.
Just remember the 24-hour rule before buying more shoes, Alianna.
I promise. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and see you in the next episode.